Hey y'all, I'm here with P Stunner Productions and soon to hear a new single that I have, the Uptown Sway. If you are in need of any recording or studio for any of your projects, make sure to check them out. Till next time.
What not?
Come out. Shout out.
Come on in.
Oh, here's the wall.
Uh-huh. Wana artist.
Wall of artists.
That's my second one, and both sides are full.
Oh,
Lord.
Lord.
I need a third one. And I want you to sign.
All right, here we go.
You never know who's gonna be famous one day. And,
Lord Jesus, I got
this might take off one day. You got my neighbors over there jamming to and stuff. Yes.
Okay, there it is. Wall of artists.
That's my second one, and both sides.
Okay, do your magic.
What do you think about that?
And sway to the left. That's right. Now kick, step,
I think that
tap,
sounds
and
good.
sway. Kick, step, tap, and sway.
Let's go.
Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Do the uptown sway. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Do the uptown sway. Now do the train, tap and sway. Now kick, step, tap and sway. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Do the uptown sway. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Do the uptown sway.
I'm good.
I get what you said. I know what you meant.
Is that I think it sounds good. I think that you're holding back because you want to try even more stuff. You want to sing a little more. You want to do a little bit more vocal ad-libs, but you're just not going for it because you still.
Who asked you?
That's the point. But
Okay, from the top. Let's go.
Can I add my opinion?
Yes.
I second what he said.
Who asked you too?
Now, I agree wholeheartedly. I ain't got nothing else to say. He said it. I agree with him.
Cause I feel like I'm being pitchy, and I got imposter syndrome.
But you in the
And
studio,
I was
everybody.
at the same time.
If you
Professional
pitch, I got a pitch correction for you too. So you know,
Okay.
you good. You ain't gotta worry about that. Just cut loose.
These professional people are pitchy too.
Oh yes.
That's how it goes. You just gotta try. You just need to go for it. Because you might surprise yourself.
Agreed.
Because you surprised yourself with that ad lib. You didn't think it was going to land. And
That's
it did.
exactly you hit it. You hit it on the head to the T. To the T.
Yeah, exactly, but it went.
It worked. It definitely worked. Oh, let's run it.
Suck it now.
And sway
Yeah.
to the
I ain't
left.
gonna lie. I like
Do
that.
it.
Now kick, step,
This is
tap, and sway. Do the uptown sway. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Do the uptown sway. Ooh, come on, everybody.
Come on.
Come on, everybody. Do the uptown sway.
I don't think that's official.
You done took the headphones off now.
Oh, everybody. Oh. It's a sliding door.
Come on and do this dance with me. Do the Jamie Foxx now and cha cha cha. Do the Jamie Foxx now and cha cha cha. Now hit it, snap, right left, hit it, snap, right left, slow, right and slow, left, slow, right
doing it. I'm just